Stop it, bud. It's like you're picking my toenails. Hey, hey. Stop it. Hey, stop it. Hey. Oh, for God's sake. Not a... Remove the fabric so that he doesn't get it. Birds have such weird interest in people's feet, though. I don't know what it is. He's gonna go for it again. Look, watch. He's gonna go for it again. I bet. See? Ow! Ow! That's my foot, bud. No, don't go for that one. Ooh, don't want to scare him. This is the bird that's scared of me moving my hand anywhere near him, but he'll go right up to my feet and bite them.